Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair fell 0.6% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 0.9% in the last session, after gaining as much as 2% during the session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The gold dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 1% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold slipped under pressure from a strengthening US dollar and climbing Treasury yields as investors focused on the Federal Reserve's final policy meeting of the year, with growing expectations of a gradual pace of rate cuts in 2025. The US dollar strengthened against major currencies following better-than-expected retail sales data that showed underlying economic momentum, and as markets braced for interest rate moves from the Federal Reserve and other central banks. United States President-elect Donald Trump has met with Crypto.com CEO Chris Marsalek at his home in Mar-a-Lago to discuss policies potentially affecting the cryptocurrency industry. The pair reportedly discussed the president-elect's proposal to launch a national Bitcoin reserve.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Prepare for market movements as the economic calendar for the upcoming days includes a mix of high-priority and moderate-impact releases. These data points could create trading opportunities and drive price action across various sectors. These key releases could set the tone for trading in the near term. Understanding their potential impact will help shape effective investment strategies.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.